Hey, so we have a party at AGM Marketing in our headquarters in the city of Largo, Florida, coming up Friday. This Friday, yes, you got it right. November 11th at 5:30 p.m. We're gonna have food, live music, party environment. And why are we having a party? Well, because I'm doing something very, very special and very, very different that we've been working on for a very long time. So this is not just a party for fun. This is actually a celebration of a brand new brand that we're launching from scratch. And not only are we launching a brand, a supplement brand from scratch, we're also going to show you guys what we're doing step by step. Imagine being able to reverse engineer everything that we've done with our successful brands. Imagine being able to go back in time and repeat the exact steps that have taken us towards, for example, my brand called Natural Slim that we built from the ground up here in the United States of America with the help of my father. It's a brand that does somewhere around $50 million a year in revenue, $75 million internationally every single year. Imagine being able to go back and break down every single step we took along the way. Well, I have gone crazy. And myself, our organization, a partner called Steven Anderson, who's going to be with us in this particular party, we're going to open up the road. We're going to show you guys how you too can build your supplement brand from scratch with our help, our guidance, and with our processes. So again, this is something that I'm doing because I'm passionate and I want to help a lot of people and I want to see a lot of you guys accomplish success. So yes, it is Friday night. I know Friday is a time to be with family. Friday night is a time to go away from the 9 to 5. Well, what a great opportunity for you to start building a legacy for you and for your family at AGM Marketing. So you guys want to come and check this out, what we have going on. We're going to be unveiling a brand new brand. We're going to tell you what the name is on Friday. We're going to tell you all about it. We're going to show you the websites that we built out. We're going to show you the Amazon store that we built out for it. We're going to show you all of it. And we're going to invite you to be a part of this particular movement because I'm going to show you guys step by step how to yourself invest and build on a supplement brand from scratch. Your own private label brand of supplements that you can build from the ground up with my help, with our team's help, with our support, without having to invest not even 1% of what I've invested to grow my brand today. I'm going to show you guys something very, very amazing. Something for you guys to start with almost nothing, building your own brand, building your own supplement brand. Again, this is not an exaggeration. I have never done this before. I have never opened up the doors this widely. It is my job to present to you an opportunity. It is your job to walk through that opportunity. I cannot force you. But if you guys are dreaming about something big, if you guys want to build something great, if you guys want to build a legacy for yourself, if you guys want to build a brand for yourself, then this is something that you don't want to miss out because along the way, people have opened doors to me. And the only reason why I'm here today is not because these doors were open. It's because I decided to walk through these doors. So in this particular activity that we have coming up on Friday at 5:30 p.m. in our headquarters in the city of Largo, we're going to show you guys what this opportunity is. We're going to show you how we're doing it ourselves. And we're going to show you how step by step, we're going to show you how you too can be a part of this particular opportunity. I printed a flyer that we made for this thing. You're going to learn, here's the bullet points. Join Manuel and Steven as they reveal their step-by-step process on an all-new brand and show you how you can do it too. Gain access to a platform with pre-qualified products you can start selling today. That's right, today. And get the blueprint to building a successful e-commerce business as well as marketing tips and tricks, plus a whole lot more. And hey, there's nothing like proximity to power. I want to invite you to come to this facility over here at AGM to have a party with us, live music, get close to power. I have a lot of power to give out to you. I want to invite you to come and check out this opportunity, and I want to invite you to walk through that opportunity because this could be the beginning of a new era for you and for your family in a world full of opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Confirm by sending a message here, clicking on that link, whatever that may be on this video, and I will get you in the RSVP list, and I can see you here in the AGM Marketing Headquarters, attention-grabbing media headquarters in the city of Largo. This Friday, we're going to have an epic event that it's going to be amazing for those of you guys that can make it. If you cannot make it, we will also be streaming this event over the internet. Just let me know in the comments here, and I will let you know exactly how to go about getting your link or getting your seat reserved, all right? See you in the event, November 11th, coming up, 2022, 5:30 p.m., City of Largo. It's going to be epic. It's going to be legendary. There's going to be a table full of our new products. We're going to do something that nobody else is doing. I'm going to show you exactly what my brand is, how we built it, what the steps are, and exactly what you can do to replicate the formula for yourself and your own brand from scratch without having to empty out your 401ks or your bank accounts, all right? So come to the event. I will see you here. Let's go.